Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Today's practice is all about peace, not the kind that comes from silence around you, but the kind that blossoms quietly inside you. This is Yoga for Mental Health, a gentle journey designed for children, families, and anyone who simply needs a moment to reset. Whether you've been overthinking, studying too hard, or just feeling heavy inside your mind, this flow will help you come back home to yourself. No pressure, no perfection, just presence. 1. Easy pose, finding stillness. Sit comfortably on your mat. Cross your legs, place your hands on your knees, and close your eyes. Feel your breath, in and out, like the gentle rhythm of waves. This is where calm begins. Let your shoulders relax, your mind soften, and your thoughts drift like clouds across a quiet sky. 2. Neck rolls, releasing the weight. Now gently roll your neck in a circle. Notice how much tension you've been carrying without realizing. Each roll is like releasing a little piece of worry, a little piece of overthinking. Pause, reverse the direction. Let every movement remind you, you don't have to rush, you're safe here. 3. Cat-cow, balancing the mind. Come to all fours. As you inhale, arch your back and lift your gaze. This is cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. This is cat pose. Feel how your breath moves through your spine like a wave. This gentle rhythm balances your emotions, bringing your mind and body back into harmony. 4. Child's pose, surrendering to peace. Spread your knees wide and rest your forehead on the mat. Your arms can stretch forward or rest beside you. This is your safe space, like a quiet hug for your nervous system. Let go of all expectations. Here, you're allowed to rest. You're allowed to just be. 5. Downward facing dog, awakening energy. Lift your hips up and back, forming an upside-down fifth. Your body stretches, your breath deepens, your mind clears. This pose strengthens not just your muscles, but your focus. Imagine letting go of negative thoughts with every exhale. They slide right off your fingertips and disappear into the earth. 6. Mountain pose, standing tall. Stand up slowly. Root your feet into the mat, lift your arms overhead, and feel your spine lengthen. You are steady, grounded, unshakable. Mountain pose reminds you that even when life feels stormy, you can still stand tall and calm, like a mountain touched by clouds. 7. Tree pose, finding balance. Shift your weight onto one foot and place the other on your inner thigh or calf. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. If you wobble, smile. Trees sway too. Balancing the body helps balance the mind. Focus on one point and breathe deeply. You are learning stillness in motion. 8. Warrior second, building confidence. Step your feet wide, stretch your arms, and bend one knee. Look over your front fingertips. You are a warrior of peace. This pose teaches courage, not the loud kind, but the quiet kind that keeps you going, even when you're scared. Breathe into your strength. 9. Triangle pose, expanding awareness. Straighten your front leg, reach forward, and place your hand on your shin or the floor. Extend your other arm toward the sky. Open your chest, open your heart. This is a reminder that perspective changes everything. When life feels narrow, all you need is a shift in angle, and suddenly everything expands. 10. Seated forward fold, letting go, sit down, stretch your legs forward, and reach toward your toes. Don't force it, just breathe. Forward folds are like gentle reminders that surrender isn't weakness. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is soften. 11. Bridge pose, opening the heart. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips. Feel your chest rise, your heart open. Bridge pose releases stored tension in the body and mind, the kind that hides beneath smiles and business. With every breath, imagine light filling your heart, washing away what no longer serves you. 12. Corpse pose, total relaxation. Now gently lower yourself down. Arms by your sides, palms open, eyes closed. Let go completely. This stillness is medicine. Feel your breath move gently in and out. Nothing to do, nowhere to go, just peace. Stay here as long as you need. Let your body remember what calm feels like. Let your mind rest like a quiet lake at sunset. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch, and when you open your eyes, Carry this stillness with you into your day. Because yoga isn't just what happens on the mat. It's how gently you speak to yourself, how calmly you breathe when life gets loud, and how kindly you treat the people around you. Thank yourself for showing up today. If this practice brought you peace, remember to like, share, and subscribe. So together, we can create a world that breathes a little calmer.